Hi guys, do you know the term of look or look? So I'll show you the presentation. Hi guys, the term of look is like, for example, look is the English of the translation. The translation of look in English or Tagalog is look. Why we say look is like place, or I think it's a thing like we look someone for. Look means look. I know this is very confusing, but I love it. It's really funny. The sound looks terrible or nice. Okay, so the example of look is we look outside and you look if you see something broken, and that's really bad, right? We look at the shows, we look at the headphones, we look at the cities, we look at the hallways, or we look on the eye. Like that. Okay, back to the video, everyone. So, do you understand what is look or look? Okay, so the look, meaning that it's like a Filipino word or Tagalog word like in like Aralin Panlipunan, AP, or Social Studies. I think it's actually real. Or Tagalog of look is tignan mo. Tignan mo to. Kakang guwapo, no? Look is like anyong tubig. Like in Aralin Panlipunan. Actually, it's kind of real. Yeah. Look in Tagalog is tignan mo. Or in Aralin Panlipunan is look. So, look is anyong tubig. Like in province or water. Okay, so land and water. So, land form and water form is anyong tubig. It's look. Look is anyong tubig. And like when I was in grade 2, I was 9 years old. I think our teacher helps me already. Teacher April. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit like and the button, and comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Actually, in grade 2 and 3, I know that. Okay, and see you at my next video. Bye bye. And also, wala. Okay na.